Hello photo students, this is Ms. Fitchhorn and we're doing our color balance tutorial. You will have downloaded this clouds image from off of today's slides, and then you'll have either dragged that JPEG off of your desktops or downloads into the blue PS icon, or you just go File, Open, and you'll find it wherever you've stashed it on your desktop and downloads wherever. But here we're going to follow the directions that it states in those step-by-steps, and that is you're going to locate your rectangular marquee tool, whether your toolbar is long and skinny or your toolbar is double stacked. Your rectangular marquee tool looks like a rectangle that has these, we call them marching ants in the industry. If it's not showing, if you left click and hold, it might be hiding behind elliptical marquee or single row, single column marquees, but that's the one you want. And then you'll see that I asked you to left click and drag over an area that was approximately 3.55 inches big, because we need to divide this canvas 5 times. So I'm going to let go. What this does is it creates like this mask area, so whatever filter that I go ahead and put on this, it's going to only apply to this selected area. So then I told you to go down into your adjustment layer icon and click it. You're going to choose color balance, and I'm going to let you guys go ahead and choose if you want to add a little bit more pink to your clouds, a little bit more red, but each time you do this step I have to see a completely different color change in your clouds. So I'm just going to go red, orange, yellow, green, blue. Why not? Like more blue, like turquoise blue. So I've got my red. Okay, so then I'm done there. So I'm going to go back to my background and click back on my background. I'm going to get the rectangle marquee tool, and I'm going to do another area that's approximately 3.55 inches. Right about there. Okay, and then again, I'm going to go ahead and go into my adjustments and right there, and I'm going to choose color balance, and let's this time orange is red and yellow mixed together. So I got to make sure that I get more of that peachy tone I'm looking for. Added more. Yeah, there we go. Nice. That's a nice cloudy day, right? Right. And then I'm going to go back to my background, choose the rectangular marquee tool. I'm going to show you one more time, but just obviously you're just repeating the same process you just did over and over again until you get all 5 areas. 3.55, let go. Go into our adjustment layer tool, go ahead and choose color balance. This time, let's see, we did red, orange, I need yellow. It's more of a yellow. Yellow and blue make green, of course, so that's going to be a tough one to sell, because obviously I need red, orange, yellow, green, blue. So maybe if I add a little bit of red to it, it might look more yellow. Yeah, that's a nice neutralized, actually cloud base right there. All right, so let's pretend that I've done all 5. You guys have to do all 5 of them. And then when you're done, you go, as always, File, and you always save as a PSD first. And so we're just going to call it last name, first initial. Just leave the title where this is here, and we would go last name, first initial, underscore, and leave the white balance clouds here. You're going to save it on your desktop as a Photoshop file. Save. Okay. And then you're going to go File. You're going to go Export. You're going to go Export As, and make sure it's a JPEG, and you export that again to your desktop. And then obviously both of these are going to go into your Google Drive. And that's it, kids.